Today, I am reviewing Sony INZONE KBD-H75 Pro Gaming Keyboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a competitive gamer or someone who values precision and durability in a keyboard, then the Sony INZONE KBD-H75 gaming keyboard deserves your attention. Developed in collaboration with the professional esports team Fnatic, this keyboard is engineered from the ground up to deliver the kind of performance that serious players demand, while also providing a premium build that stands out. Let's start with the design and build quality. The KBD-H75 uses a 75% form factor, which means it saves desk space while still keeping the essential keys you need for gaming and everyday use. The reduced spacing between keys makes the layout even more compact, which is perfect for FPS players who need extra mouse room. To top it off, the chassis is built with CNC-machined aluminum, giving it strength, stability, and a premium weight that makes it feel rock solid on your desk. At over 800 grams, it's substantial but not overly heavy, giving it that durable, high-end feel you'd expect from Sony. Now, let's move on to what really makes this keyboard special, the switch technology. Sony has equipped the INZONE KBD-H75 with Hall-effect switches featuring adjustable actuation points. This means you can set how far a key needs to be pressed before it registers, anywhere from 0.1 millimeters all the way up to 3.4 millimeters. For gamers, this is a game changer. If you're playing fast-paced shooters, you can set ultra-short actuation for lightning-fast input. If you're typing or want a more deliberate key press, you can set a deeper actuation point for accuracy and comfort. But it doesn't stop there. The keyboard also comes with rapid trigger technology, which lets you assign separate actuation and reset points. In plain terms, this allows your keys to reset instantly so you can repeat inputs more quickly and efficiently. This kind of responsiveness is exactly what pro players want in high-stakes matches where milliseconds count. Consistency and smoothness are also major highlights here. Sony designed these switches with dual-rail stabilizers, which reduce wobble and make every keystroke feel precise. Even larger keys like the spacebar and shift keys stay balanced and stable, thanks to dedicated stabilizers. That means whether you press them in the center or off to the side, they'll still feel smooth and even. For speed, the 8,000 Hz polling rate ensures that every input is picked up almost instantly. Compared to traditional 1,000 Hz keyboards, this level of responsiveness provides a competitive edge, especially for esports and high-level FPS players where precision and reaction time matter. The customization options also stand out. Using the INZONE Hub software, available for both Windows PCs and even through a web browser, you can fine-tune your keyboard experience. Adjust your actuation points, configure rapid trigger, remap keys, and of course, customize the RGB lighting. Sony offers preset lighting effects inspired by the INZONE brand, but you can also create your own profiles to match your setup and style. The RGB effects look clean, vibrant, and well-diffused, making the keyboard not just a performance tool, but also a visual centerpiece for your gaming station. On top of that, Sony has included a dedicated volume dial, which is preset for quick adjustments and mute control. It's one of those small but very practical touches that makes everyday use much more convenient. In terms of comfort, the gasket mount design softens each press just enough to give you that cushioned, controlled feel without taking away from the speed or responsiveness. It strikes a nice balance between being gamer-focused and still pleasant to use for typing or long work sessions. Overall, the Sony INZONE KBD-H75 is a keyboard that delivers on both fronts, performance and build quality. With features like adjustable actuation points, rapid trigger, 8,000 Hz polling rate, and premium aluminum construction, it's designed for serious gamers who want every competitive advantage. At the same time, it's built solidly enough to last for years, and it has the versatility to fit into both a gaming setup and a productivity environment. If you're a pro player, an aspiring esports competitor, or just someone who wants one of the best wired gaming keyboards of 2025, the Sony INZONE KBD-H75 is absolutely worth considering. It's compact, it's customizable, it's durable, and above all, it's fast. Sony and Fnatic have clearly put a lot of thought into this design, and the result is a keyboard that can easily compete with the top-tier offerings from other gaming brands. So, if you're ready to take your gaming setup to the next level with precision, speed, and style, the Sony INZONE KBD-H75 might just be the perfect upgrade.